In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom reports and dashboards in Monday.com. We'll start by building a simple report inside a single board, and then we'll move on to creating a new dashboard that pulls data from multiple boards. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to choose, and how to think about your setup so the information you see is actually useful. First, open the board you want to report on. This is the place where your items, tasks, or projects are already tracked. At the top of the board, you'll see your current views, like Main Table, Kanban, or Chart. Right next to those view tabs, look for the plus icon. Go ahead and click that plus icon to add a new view. When the menu opens, you'll see options like Blank View, Chart, and potentially other reporting views depending on your plan. If you're not sure what you need yet, starting with a blank view is a good idea because it gives you maximum flexibility. If you already know you want visual insights, like a bar or pie chart, you can choose the chart view instead. Once you've created your new view, it's time to customize it. This is where you decide which columns, statuses, and data points you actually want to see. Think about the question you're trying to answer with this report. For example, you might only care about items that are still in progress, or you might want to focus on due dates and owners. Use the view settings to filter out anything that's irrelevant. Hide columns that are just noise, and highlight the ones that matter most to you and your team. Adjusting these settings turns a basic board into a focused report that's easy to read and share. Now let's create a new dashboard. Dashboards are perfect when you want to pull information from multiple boards into one central place. On the left-hand side of your screen, look at the Workspace panel. Navigate to the workspace where you want this dashboard to live. Next to the workspace name, you'll see a plus icon labeled Add. Click that. From the menu, choose New Dashboard. A window will pop up asking you to name your dashboard. Pick a clear, descriptive name so everyone understands what this dashboard is for. Then set the privacy level. You can choose Main if you want your team members in that workspace to access it, or Private if it's just for you or a smaller group. Finally, select the boards you want to pull data from. These might be project boards, sales pipelines, or any other boards that contain information you want to track together. Once you've selected the relevant boards, click Done. Your new dashboard is ready for you to start adding widgets and building out your custom reporting layout.